You spend hours watching financial videos. You read all the popular books about getting rich. You know all the theories. But when you check your bank account, nothing has changed. You are still stressed. You are still exactly where you were 12 months ago. The brutal truth is that financial entertainment is keeping you poor. You are tricking your brain into feeling productive while taking absolutely zero action. Knowing the path and walking the path are two completely different things. Today, we are changing that. I'm going to give you 50 raw, unfiltered rules of money that actually build wealth. You do not need to use all of them. You just need to find the one rule that fixes your biggest leak. Welcome to Invest to Freedom. I am Frank. Before we break down these rules, I want to hear from you. What is the one financial habit you struggle with the most? Tell me in the comments below. And if you are ready to stop consuming and start executing, hit that subscribe button right now. Let us get to work. Everything begins in your head. If your mindset is broken, your bank account will be broken. Rule 1. Stop acting like the economy owes you a comfortable life. It does not. Rule 2. Wealth is not created by extreme deprivation. It is created by expanding your value to the marketplace. Rule 3. The fear of losing money guarantees you will never make any. You have to take calculated risks. Rule 4. Your friends dictate your net worth. If you hang out with 5 broke people who complain all day, you will be the 6th. Rule 5. Jealousy is a poverty mindset. When you see someone succeed, study them instead of hating them. Rule 6. Rich people talk about ideas and poor people talk about other people. Rule 7. You cannot hate the rich and expect to become one of them. Your brain will sabotage your success. Rule 8. Stop asking for permission to be successful. No one is coming to save you. Rule 9. Comfort is the ultimate enemy of wealth. If you are comfortable, you are not growing. Rule 10. Time is infinitely more valuable than money. You can always print more money, but you cannot print more time. You have to plug the holes in your financial bucket before you try to fill it up with more water. Rule 11. Pay yourself first. The moment your paycheck hits, move 20% into an investment account. You must survive on the rest. Rule 12. The cost of an item is not the price tag. The real cost is how many hours of your life you traded to buy it. Rule 13. If you buy things you do not need, you will soon have to sell things you need. Rule 14. Stop buying brand names to impress people you do not even like. Rule 15. A cheap pair of shoes that breaks in 2 months is much more expensive than a quality pair that lasts 5 years. Buy quality once. Rule 16. The greatest life hack is learning to cook your own food. Restaurant markups will keep you in the middle class forever. Rule 17. Cancel every single subscription you have not used in the last 30 days. You will not miss them. Rule 18. Sleep on every major purchase for 48 hours. Most of your desires will vanish by the next morning. Rule 19. Living below your means is not a punishment. It is a protective shield around your peace of mind. Rule 20. Stop upgrading your lifestyle every time you get a raise. Hide the extra money from yourself. Debt is financial slavery. You are borrowing from your future self to fund your present desires. Rule 21. Credit card debt is a financial emergency. Treat it like your house is on fire. Rule 22. Never finance a depreciating asset. Taking out a loan for a luxury car is pure financial self-destruction. Rule 23. Paying interest on a piece of clothing or a television is the fastest way to stay broke forever. Rule 24. If you cannot pay off your credit card balance in full every single month, cut the card into pieces. Rule 25. Good debt buys assets that put money in your pocket. Bad debt buys liabilities that bleed you dry. Rule 26. The bank is not your friend. They are a business designed to keep you paying interest for the rest of your life. Rule 27. Clear your smallest debts first if you need emotional momentum. Clear your highest interest debts first if you want mathematical efficiency. Rule 28. Co-signing a loan for a friend is the absolute best way to lose the money and lose the friend. Rule 29. Do not consolidate your debt unless you have completely fixed the spending habits that caused it. Rule 30. Being completely debt-free gives you a level of confidence that money simply cannot buy. You can only cut your expenses so much, but your earning potential is completely unlimited. Rule 31. Your income is directly tied to the size of the problems you solve. Solve bigger problems, and you will get bigger checks. Rule 32. The absolute best investment you can ever make is in your own skills. No stock market can beat a high-income skill. Rule 33. Stop asking for a higher salary. Start asking for more responsibility. The salary will automatically follow. Rule 34. Loyalty to a company rarely pays off. The biggest leaps in income happen when you change employers. Rule 35. Build a business on the side. Even if it fails, the education you get is worth more than any college degree. Rule 36. Become exceptionally good at one specific thing. The world rewards specialists, not generalists. Rule 37. Learn how to sell. Everything in life is sales, whether it is a product, an idea, or yourself. Rule 38. Your physical energy dictates your financial output. You cannot build an empire if you are constantly sick and exhausted. Rule 39. Look for scalable income. You want to do the work once and get paid for it hundreds of times. Rule 40. Never rely on a single source of income. If your only stream dries up, you are completely finished. This is where you secure your freedom and actually get your life back. Rule 41. The stock market is not a casino. It is a grocery store where you buy small pieces of the greatest companies on earth. Rule 42. Time in the market will always beat timing the market. Stop trying to guess the dips. Rule 43. Buy broad market index funds and leave them completely alone. Boring investing is profitable investing. Rule 44. Never check your portfolio when you are emotional. Panic selling is how the rich steal wealth from the impatient. Rule 45. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who does not pays it. Rule 46. Real estate is powerful because you can use the bank's money to buy an asset that pays you every month. Rule 47. True wealth is completely invisible. It is the peace of mind knowing you can handle any emergency life throws at you. Rule 48. Keep your lifestyle quiet. The louder you display your money, the faster you will attract people who want to take it. Rule 49. Define exactly what enough looks like for you. If you do not have a finish line, you will run on the treadmill until you die. Rule 50. Stop consuming information and start taking action today. Nothing changes if nothing changes. These 50 rules are the blueprint, but a blueprint is absolutely useless if you never pick up a hammer. Choose 3 of these rules today and force them into your daily routine. Thank you for listening. I am Frank. This is Invest to Freedom. Keep your head down, keep your expenses low, and keep building your assets. I will see you in the next one.